Tsaka ako naman. Pwede ako mag-tutorial dito. Yung katulad ng pinapanood sa YouTube.
Ayun ka, yung aktualidad.
Naka-record yan.
Ayan, may
Oo, tangi na, naka-record yan.
It's so far away. It's
Saka magkamukha pa rin sa camera. Parang pinagdilag yung buhok mo.
I can make it
Tuloy mo, blend
I
tayo.
can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to make and never did time until fight it through, and I live one more day, and I make it to the rain.
Lagay ko nga sa YouTube sa Facebook. Lagay tayo na.
Tama na, nahihiya na ako.
Tapusin nyo.
How to curl your hair using a flat iron. Ba yan, sarap mo mag-tutorial dito ng alas ko sa YouTube.
Yung pangit ko naman dyan.
And you'll find what you need.
Sigat nyo lang yung isa na.
What you say? I can make it to the rain. I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to make in every time until hindi ko na alam a whole time. Wag yan. Wag na lang yan. Iba na.
I-post mo muna.